Running a small business is exciting, but also expensive, especially when every pound counts and cash flow decides whether you grow or struggle. So learning how to save money as a small business owner isn't just smart, it's essential for long-term success. The first step is to know exactly where your money goes, because many small business owners lose track of small daily expenses that quietly eat into profits, such as unused subscriptions, extra software, or over-ordering supplies. Reviewing expenses every month and cutting what you don't need can save hundreds without hurting quality. And using accounting apps like QuickBooks or Xero helps track spending efficiently. Embracing technology is another smart way to save. Automating repetitive tasks, like invoicing or scheduling, saves time and reduces the need for extra staff. Instead of hiring full-time employees for small tasks, you can use affordable freelancers or virtual assistants, paying only for what you need. Cloud-based tools keep you organized, paper-free, and more efficient. Marketing is another area where savings can make a big difference. Rather than spending large sums on print or TV adverts, small businesses can turn to social media, email marketing, and SEO, which cost far less and reach a bigger audience. Posting useful content, engaging with followers, and building genuine customer relationships online can attract new clients without major spending. Collaborating with other small businesses can also reduce costs. For example, sharing event expenses or swapping services. A cafe could team up with a local bakery to cross-promote products, boosting visibility for both without extra cost. Buying smart also helps. Negotiate with suppliers, ask for discounts, and explore local options that may offer better deals. Managing inventory carefully prevents cash from being tied up in overstocked goods, while avoiding stock shortages that lose sales. Keeping fixed costs low is another key strategy if you don't need an office. Consider working remotely or using shared spaces. Remote work not only saves rent, but also cuts down on utilities and travel costs, while energy-efficient lighting and regularly checking utility providers can save even more. Tax management is another area where smart planning helps save money. Work with an accountant to claim all possible deductions. Things like equipment, marketing, or home office costs often qualify, and make sure to file on time to avoid penalties. Building an emergency fund is crucial for survival during slow months, helping you manage unexpected expenses without relying on high-interest loans. If borrowing is necessary, compare loan options carefully and only take on debt that helps the business grow sustainably. Investing in yourself and your team may not seem like saving at first, but it pays off through improved efficiency and productivity, reducing costly mistakes. Encourage staff to share ideas for saving money. They often notice waste that managers miss. Going paperless also cuts expenses, replacing printing and storage costs with digital invoices, receipts, and documents, which is faster, cheaper, and open source or free software tools can also replace pricey systems without sacrificing functionality. Above all, remember that saving money doesn't mean cutting corners. It means making smart, sustainable choices that strengthen your finances.